Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, but today I got something pretty cool for you guys, so let's cue the edit. This is my brand new 2006 Suzuki DR200. It's a dual sport, so it's like a dirt bike that is street legal. And man, when I say that it is a ripper, this thing is a freaking ripper. It's not fast, it's not powerful, the suspension isn't great, but boy, is this thing a freaking blast to ride around. I picked it up yesterday in the afternoon for $250. It didn't run. It had an issue. The guy had a fuse blow on him a couple months ago, and ever since then he wasn't able to get it to start. Well, I popped the seat off and found a couple melted wires underneath the seat in the wiring harness, repaired them, cleaned off the battery terminals there, and it literally fired right up. This thing fires right up now. Look at this. Is it in neutral? Sure enough, it ain't. There we go. Look at that. Fires right up. It runs good, mine. The chain needed a little bit of tightening, but other than that, the tires are good, the lights are good. The brake light wasn't working right, but I got that all figured out. It just needed a new ground. Anyway, this thing is a ripper, so I'll tell you what, let's go rip it. All right, so we are back at the park by my house. Just wanted to come back over here and hit that little whoop right there one more, on this new bike here and see how she did. But, like I was saying before, it ain't fast. The suspension ain't perfect. It ain't super powerful, but it's got enough power to do a wheelie. It's got enough speed to hit some little jumps like that. But, yeah, I mean, this thing is a freaking ripper, man. I'm having tons and tons of fun just in the first couple days of owning this thing. You can ride it up to any field, any trail, whatever you want to do, and just rip right through it if you so please. But anyway, I'm thinking new bike, we need to go hit some new spots. So there's a neighborhood under construction a little ways up the road from here. So I think let's go over there, and there's a couple of empty lots that have some nice whoops in them. So let's go hit the whoops on this thing and see how she fares. All right, we'll see you there. So here we are, man. This is what I'm talking about. Pulled over to get the camera set up. But yeah, this neighborhood's being built right now. There's a lot of open field area. This is probably going to be, oh shoot, they'll probably have 20, 30 houses in this area right here. But right now there's some whoops over there. You can't really see them. And then there's like a little bit of a ramp right there. I don't really know how confident I am to be hitting jumps like that, especially on this thing. I don't think it's really built for that kind of stuff, but maybe we'll try it. We'll see. But right now I'm gonna get you guys set up right around here, zoom you in over there, and we'll go hit those whoops. All right, it's looking like this is as far in as I can get zoomed here, but I better go ahead and get going and get this done, because I definitely don't have permission to be here. Yeah, I'll head out, bro. I got you. Yeah, I'll leave. Thanks, man. I'm gonna grab my camera, then I'll be out of here.
No worries.
Well, a nice gentleman just asked me to leave, so I'm gonna pack up my crap and get out of here. He was nice about it, so it's no big deal. But I figured I'd get kicked out at some point, but I guess it's time to head home.